Hello, hello! It is the 1940s again. Preston, how are you?
Good.
Yeah. I had to fight him to get dressed this morning. Don't let him fool you. Anyways, we are off to go on a 1940s themed train ride, and you are being brought along with us. So I will check in when we get to the train station, but I figured I'd do an intro to this video or an intro-like thing. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Are you on?
Yes, yes, we shall have a great trip today.
Spent together, you fear it's over soon. Too many risks to take. Just let us see what we'll be finding.
Carousel over, and he got to thinking, I think I can build a better one. So that's what he set out to do, and that's what he did. This particular carousel was a type that he called it carries us all. It has sleigh seats for the adults to ride on and horses for the children to ride on. This particular carousel went on carnival
And all the days we've spent together, you fear it's over soon. Too many risks to take. Just let us see what we'll be finding.
We're on the train.
Hey, old buddy, give me a drink. Hey! You're back out of jail. No! Yes. No! Yes! I want a drink. I got him! Yeah! You got him!
Actually dead. It's a play.
Hey, Marshall, do me a big favor. What's that? Milk that cow for me.
That's back funny, Big John. Stop. Guys, it's fake. It's fake. It's fake. Fake. Is it fake? Yes. It's fake. It's fake. I know. It's okay. It's fake.
Don't you dare shoot it.
Do it. It's gonna be hilarious.
Now that one barrel doesn't work. Does it? Ha 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 ha. What? I got him.
I got it.
Now take it in, Red. Now you can go sleep it off. I'm
so
gonna
fluffy.
sleep it off. I got it.
Come here. So sit. Come on. Oh.
Wasn't worth a darn anyway. I need a new undertaker. Who wants to volunteer?
Me.
All right, stand right here. All right, stand right there. Now this is real simple. All you gotta do is tell me my magic word, and I can make them all come back to life. How's that for a deal?
Okay.
What's the magic word?
Gun.
No, that's not it.
No.
I'll give you one hint, and you better not embarrass your parents. You say it at home when you want something. Now you're thinking too long.
Peyton. It's the word you never use.
What do you say when you're at home and you want something and you're being polite?
Please.
Real loud.
Please.
Yes, that's the magic word. And that's the way it was. Well, kind of, sort of. And we thank you folks for being here. All right. Now, again, thank you. Let's take it in.
So it is a little while later. I know I haven't really talked to you guys today. You've kind of just seen a bunch of B-roll, but I wanted to spend a lot of the time with my family, but I also wanted to show you kind of what we were doing.
Hey, what's up?
One thing I didn't get a chance to film was the luncheon we had. It was just this little restaurant where we had like fried chicken and mashed potatoes and all sorts of stuff.
Like 2 whole
but
boxes left
that's
over.
about it. I am with Preston now. He's on the phone. And we went and rented some movies.
Probably.
We got Tag and Ocean's 8. And then we got some Little Caesars cheese sticks. We're gonna have a little movie date night type thing. And yeah, but I just wanted to check in and let you guys know that today was fantastic. And I can't wait to do another themed family reunion. Hopefully next time Papa will choose an easier to find theme, I guess. It took us a few tries to get our outfits down.
Well, I'll give you a call.
But if you want to see some pictures from today, go check out my Instagram. It's always linked down in the description, and you can see all of the outfits. Well, most of them anyways. I'll be posting them slowly but surely. But I will catch you guys in my next video. Sorry it's shaky. We're going over a bunch of bumps because we're in the truck. But yeah, you guys have a wonderful day, weekend, month, whatever you want to do. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!